Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to another video. My name is Trika, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my own curly crochet using the Brazilian Deep Twist synthetic crochet hair, y'all. So if you are interested in this video, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So I went ahead and started off by braiding my hair down. I braided 10 braids in the front, and then I did like a zigzag-ish method in the back, and I did it pretty big because I didn't really care about it being small in the back. And y'all, like I said, I started with the Bobbi Brown's Brazilian Deep Twist hair in this color, y'all. And I knew in the store that this color was not gonna look right on me, but I was like, you know what, let me just get a try because they didn't have the color that I wanted, and I really didn't want black, so I was just like, let me get a try. So this is how the hair is looking after pat, and I split it into twos. It was a little frizzy, but all you gotta do is just run your fingers down it, and then the frizz is gone. And y'all, I want to say that I did split each twos into another two, so it was fours in all. I think I did that after this, or did I take this down and do that? But anyway, that's what I did. And then I put the hook in, pulled it half through, formed a loop, and then I took one piece and brought it through the loop, and then I put the hook back in my hair and pulled one of the strands back through my hair. And I saw this method online, y'all, and I was like, you know, I think this is gonna be the method, especially for this curly hair, because it will come out like if you don't do the loops or whatever. And like, you can do two loops right here. I think I did two loops right here, and then I put the hook back in and took that piece back through my hair. So that's how I did it the whole way through, y'all. It's not hard at all, especially once you get the hang of it. Now, I've done this before, y'all, but like I said, once you get the hang of it, you get quicker. So when I first started, it was a little slow, like the first two, but then after that, I was just in my zone and just doing it. So I slowed it down just so you all can see what I'm doing. So I'm putting the hook through my hair, and then I'm going to put on the hair, close the latch, pull the half through, forming a loop, take one piece of the hair and pull it through the loop. And you can form two loops right here, but I didn't. And y'all gonna see why I say form two loops if you were just doing this method, because it was getting loose right here. But I'm gonna put the hook back in and grab the piece that I have and put it back on the hook and pull it through the hair, and then that's gonna be all that I do for this piece of hair. Y'all, so I did went ahead and finished the entire front, and I started on the back, y'all. But I knew when I finished the other side that I just wasn't gonna like this hair. And so one thing about me, y'all, if I don't like it, it's not to my expectations, I will take it down. And I did just that. I took it down and I was like, you know what? I already got this braiding method. I'm just gonna get up in the morning, go to the hair store and get some more hair. And that's what I did. All right, y'all, so it is the next day, and yes, I know, y'all, I went ahead and cut that out last night, y'all, and I had a pack of 1B at the house already, so I went ahead and put the 1B in the front because that's the color that matches my hair the most. And from the hair store, I purchased the color 1, and I put that in the back because that's the only color that they had at the hair store. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just make it do what it do. You won't be able to tell that much of a difference, but it is a difference, which y'all gonna see in a minute. And y'all, this is the 1B. Like I said, it's a little darker than my hair. That's why I just put it in the bag. And this is all they had at the hair store in this particular brand. This is the only color that they had. Like I said, they didn't have many colors at all, which led me to get the first color that I had. And that's not the color that I really wanted, but I went with it anyway. And y'all, this is my hair when I finish. I absolutely love it. This was before I did a little snip to it or whatever. And I loved it, y'all. And I'm just gonna say, if you're looking for something like lightweight in this little summer heat, go ahead and grab you some crochet hair, y'all. Put it up in a puff, let it hang. I don't care. You would not regret it. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come and end this video, but I also wanted to come and show you guys my hair. This is 2 weeks will be tomorrow, I think, of the synthetic crochet hair. I think when I showed you guys after I finished, it was down. But y'all, this is how I've been wearing my hair. It's been in a puff since I've done it because it's been super hot. Even though the hair is not hot, it's not heavy, but I just been rocking it in a puff. And I usually put me like a little headband depending on what color my outfit is. And like today, I didn't wear a headband. I kind of just went like this, and it's been really good. I need a lot of compliments on this hair. People ask me like, is my real hair? And no, it's not my real hair. I know right here probably looking a little rough, but this is what it's looking like. Like I said, that's why I've been popping the headband on too, because the plan was to take my little twist down and kind of have it as a flip over type of method, but I didn't, y'all. I just wore it like this, covered up as much as possible, and boom, called it a day. And then I did, for maintenance and stuff, I'll take it down, stretch it apart, and just cut like the little scraggler pieces. Like right here, I would probably cut, let me try to see, can y'all see it? I'll probably just cut like that little bit or whatever. Or if I felt like anything was tangled or whatever, I'll cut that. Like right here. Right here, y'all see that? I would cut that. So I would scratch it out like this, and this little piece right here, I just cut it off. Yeah, y'all, that is what I did. So I really enjoyed wearing this crochet. Like I said, the hair was $4.99 a pack, I want to say. I think it was $4.99 a pack, and I showed y'all the pack of hair. I'm not new to crochet, but my mom was like, she wanted the crochet, so I was like, you know what, I might well do me one too. And I did have the color, which y'all seen in the beginning, but I absolutely hate it because it wasn't the color for me. But the next time I try it, I will be trying a color. But y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.